Yep, there we go. This is a good one. This is a real good one here. Yep, he's a good one. Oh yeah. He's fighting like he's good. Oh my God, yeah, he is a good one. Holy moly. All right, you boys see him? Look at that. Absolutely. Come on, oh my goodness gracious, he went for a hell of a run right there. Look at my rod tip, man. What do we, oh God, drag. Let him go, man. Jeez. Jeez. Come on, baby. No, no you don't, no you don't. Come on. I can't even get him. I have to grab him by the lip. Yeah, baby, look at that. Yes, sir. Yeah. I gotta do surgery on him, boys. Because he swallowed it. Yes. Okay. Come on. Come on. Don't rehook yourself.